What is going on, YouTube? Tony here at Big Ugly's Garage. Gotta change it up on the channel a little bit this time. Actually going to be building a pit bike for the track. So back in 05, my parents bought me a brand new Suzuki DRZ 110. I never really rode it as a kid, but now that I got older, I found that it's actually kind of fun to ride. Now that I'm bigger, literally. So in this episode, I have some wide boy pegs or foot pedals because the stock ones are so small, my boots fall off. I got a Nerf bar, got some new upgraded grips, spark plug because it's gonna need a spark plug. It's been sitting for a while. New rear tire, and then I have a full FMF, I believe it is, exhaust that just got delivered to my house. I gotta go pick it up, and I just got a the Pro Taper bars also. So I'm gonna show you guys the bike and get into it. Alright, that's one done. Alright, here goes the first startup. That thing sounds sweet. So now basically the only thing left is to go rip the darn thing. So let me go get some stuff set up outside and we'll go out there and go do a few jumps maybe. Alright, that's probably going to be the end of this pit bike episode. Just kind of made a little jump, some tires, you know. That's about all I have back here. No wood, nothing really. But the plan is that now I got my pit bike done, I'm going to invite the Phillips boys over here, the ones who we drift with. They all have pit bikes. I kind of want to do a couple episodes of fast one around the junkyard, longest wheelie, that kind of stuff, you know. I'm not good at wheeling yet, but I am going to start practicing. So hopefully I don't suck too bad. That'll be it for this episode. I'm building the pit bike. It got new bars, grips, exhaust. Gotta get tires still. I ordered the wrong size tire, but other than that, this thing's a freaking unit. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and see you guys next one. Peace.